Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Dodge once again. This coin have continued to impress the beginning of January down to today. Shiba Dodge have remained one of the top coins that have gained a lot and one of the top coins that gained in terms of popularity started from this year. Now, there have been this kind of a proposal from so many Shiba Dodge lovers, and they're asking Binance to start working with Shiba Dodge, to list Shiba Dodge and to support Shiba Dodge. They believe that Shiba Dodge can still become coins like Floki Inu, coins like Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Dodge, with every moment since they started in the past few years, this coin have continued to increase. Now, the market cap of Shiba Dodge is also increasing every day. You can see they have millions of dollars, over $10 million. I was saying Shiba Dodge out of January, February, they hit about $32 to $14 million in market cap. But remember, the coin still have about 16 zeros. Now, the point is there's a possibility for coins like Shiba Dodge, coins which we believe already L Bank have started working. They've listed Shiba Dodge. Okay, now also have so many coins like Indo EX and of course Bitmap. These are exchanges we know that they are one of the top exchanges. They have listed this coin and they have been saying good things about Shiba Dodge. Now, for me, I think that what we need for now, if we really want Shiba Dodge to become coins that will hit over 100,000, 400,000, 500,000, 1 million%, is that they need to burn, they need to destroy the remaining supply. I'm not talking about Shiba Dodge 2.5% tax bond that have been charging, they have been burning. Yes, it is true that in the past few months they have been able to burn zillions coins of Shiba Dodge. Of course, bravo to Shiba Dodge for that. But one thing is this: they have circulating supply and they have supply. Now, by the time you remove the circulating supply from the supply, we still have some zillion coins left. Now, they need to start from burning those remaining supply. I think this is what Shiba Dodge developers should focus on. Yes, they should burn the remaining supply. If they can do this, I mean, it will draw a lot of attention. It will also help Shiba Dodge to improve. It will help Shiba Dodge to rise in price. And I also believe one thing, that Shiba Dodge, in the next 5 years, we believe this coin that is trading with about 16 zeros might end up start trading with about 10 or 11 zeros. Now, if you have just $10 or if you have just $100 worth of Shiba Dodge coin, that money might be worth over 100,000 to $1 million. Don't say it is not possible, because it has been possible with so many crypto coins. I don't want to start mentioning Shiba Inu. I don't want to start mentioning Floki Inu. I don't want to start mentioning Dogecoin. Dogecoin, even right now, at the time of recording this, the all-time price of Dogecoin and all-time price pump of Dogecoin is about over almost 88,000%. Okay, so imagine that. It simply means a $100 investment will return about $88,000. So that is it, and this is a huge profit. Now, there are so many coins out there that have really increased in price in the past time. Coins from Solana. Yes, Solana is one of them. So I so much believe that Shiba Dodge recently have good project. They have been working so hard to make sure that this coin will remain at the top. And Shiba Dodge have constantly maintained a burning rate, which means in the next 1 or 2 years, there's a possibility that Shiba Dodge can destroy over 10 to 20 zillion coins of Shiba Dodge. Oh yes, and I believe that this coin, if we give the support they have, if they keep getting that support they have, that social money engagement they have, Shiba Dodge is going to rise. Shiba Dodge is going to hit over 10,000% even before the end of this year. There's a possibility. This is January and this is July, and we still have 5 months now. Since January till now, Shiba Dodge have been able to burn over 30 zillion coins of Shiba Dodge. It's a great achievement for Shiba Dodge coin. Please, for me, I think coins like Shiba Dodge, they need to be listed on Coinbase, they need to be listed on Binance, they need to be listed on Crypto.com, they need to be listed on top crypto exchanges. So if we keep supporting Shiba Dodge, and if all exchanges come together to show great support for Shiba Dodge, I believe that Shiba Dodge is going to be the next Shiba Inu. Shiba Dodge is going to rise like Dogecoin. Shiba Dodge is going to rise like Floki Inu. Shiba Dodge is going to rise like Solana. And I believe on this coin, because despite what people said about Shiba Dodge as of last year, that the coin is over, and still now this coin is still doing well. Even when Wells left left Shiba Dodge because they invested so much on Shiba Dodge, but Shiba Dodge still stand firm. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I love you all.